Hello and welcome back to another video from Planet Tech Guru. And today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to help you build the best value PC in 2025. Tip 1. You don't always have to get a high-end NVIDIA GPU. Get a high-end AMD GPU. Even low-end AMD GPUs are good if you're using a budget build, but most of the time the AMD equivalents to NVIDIA GPUs are usually cheaper and sometimes perform slightly better. The next tip, tip 2, is do not waste too much money on RGB. RGB is useless. It adds nothing to your PC and adds up to an extra $100 to your PC. No one needs RGB. People just buy it to make their PC look cool. But why even bother if no one is going to look at your PC? Next, tip 3. Do not waste too much money on PSUs. PSU capacity does not usually have to be very high, like 1600 watts. You sometimes need only, most of the time, at most 1200 watts. And that is probably the optimal PSU capacity for high-end builds. You probably would never need more than that. To check the PSU capacity you need, go to a wattage calculator for PSUs. Next tip. Tip 4. Don't buy Intel CPUs. AMD CPUs, just like their GPUs, are better than their Intel equivalents at less price. And the next tip is don't waste money on expensive PC cases. I wouldn't mind using a PC case from 30 years ago. It's good as long as it has good airflow, and it doesn't have to have a glass side panel so that you could see the components. That's just a gimmick, and that's useless. Just get a good PC case that has good airflow and lots of space for big GPUs. Anyways, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.